Welcome to the all new series 28 states and 9 union territories. But before that, subscribe to Infotainment. For today, our first state is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. The state's main ethnic group are the Bengalis, with the Bengali Hindu forming the majority. Bengali sweets are world famous. Rasgulla, Rajbhog, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Mishti Doi, etc. to name a few. Also famous dishes like Aloo Dum, Kathi roll, etc. to name a few. Now let's see the history of Bengal. Bengal was the site of several major Janapadas. Islam was introduced through trade in Bengal. After the death of Emperor Aurangzeb, the region was later conquered by British East India Company at the Battle of Plassey. Due to widespread religious conflict, partition of Bengal in 1947 led to West Bengal a Hindu-majority Indian state and East Bengal a Muslim-majority province of Pakistan, which later became independent Bangladesh. The economy of West Bengal is the sixth largest state economy in India. Bengal ranks 7th most visited tourist destination in India. West Bengal's tourist attractions includes Darjeeling Railways, Darjeeling, beautiful church, street, Calcutta, ancient temples, Eden Garden, Siliguri, Sundarban, Shantiniketan, etc. to name a few. Bengal's biggest festival is Durga Puja. The 5 days of Durga Puja are Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Dashami. This is a 5-day festival dedicated to goddess Durga and is usually celebrated in the states of West Bengal, Assam, Odisha and Tripura, also in the Bangladesh. Famous personalities from Bengal are Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Mamata Banerjee, Mother Teresa, Kajol, Jaya Bachchan. Coal constitutes 99% of minerals extracted in West Bengal. Jute, sugar cane and wheat are the top crops of the state. West Bengal's emblem, state animal, state bird, literacy rate, sex ratio, vehicle registration, state flower, state tree, motto. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Fact time. Fact number 1. Former capital city. Calcutta used to be British India's capital city before it was shifted to New Delhi. Fact number 2. Calcutta has many nicknames which include City of Joy, the City of Processions, the City of Palaces and the cultural capital of India. Fact number 3. Grand Railway Complex. Howrah Station is the busiest station in India. It also has biggest station complex. Number 4. The Howrah Bridge is one of the world's busiest and largest cantilever bridge, the only one in India. Fact number 5. Homeland of many literary legends. Calcutta was home to 5 Nobel laureates, include Sir Ronald Ross, Rabindranath Tagore, Sir C.V. Raman, Amartya Sen and Mother Teresa. Fact number 6. Started football tournaments in India. It was founded in 1898, is the oldest football tournament in the country and one of the oldest. Fact number 7. The evergreen gigantic banyan. The Botanical Garden of Kolkata has been the house of world's largest tree, a banyan tree whose circumference is more than 330 meters. Fact number 8. The laborious hand-pulled rickshaw. Kolkata is the only city in India with hand-pulled rickshaws. Number 10. The enormous cricket ground. Iconic Eden Gardens Cricket Stadium. It has been called as cricket's answer to Colosseum and is the second largest cricket stadium in the world. Number 10. The fusion of cultures. Chinese cuisine, which is not Chinese, but Kolkata is considered the birthplace of fusion cuisine, now popular as Indian Chinese. Fact number 11. More than 100-year-old port. Oldest port. Port of Kolkata is the oldest operating port of India. It was built in 1870 by the East Indian Company. Fact number 12. The story behind SBI. Foundation of SBI. The SBI was founded as the Bank of Calcutta in the year 1806, making it the oldest commercial bank in the Indian subcontinent. Number 13. Influence from China. The only city in India which has a Chinatown is Kolkata, commonly known as Rieta Bazar, was once home to 20,000 Chinese nationals. Fact number 14. Thank you for this gem. A confectioner called Nobin Chandra Das invented the popular sweetmeat Rasgulla, and it became famous in no time. Fact number 15. West Bengal is famous for its Durga festival. Thanks for watching. Let's meet next week with Rajasthan.